In Creo 12, we continue expanding the support of additional lattice types as input to the Lattice Connect feature. Here we can see a lattice structure with the Delaunay Triangulation option selected. Supporting this type of lattice was the goal of this project. Mathematically, the Delaunay Triangulation is the dual of Voronoi diagram, and both provide the means to generate different lattice topologies, lightweight and strong lattices. Just to demonstrate the capabilities of the Lattice Connect, we can see that we are selecting other lattice types. The Lattice Connect is a powerful tool to connect and combine multiple lattices into one coherent lattice structure. Also in this release, an improvement to the Lattice Connect algorithm was done to better solve the connection when using large empty spaces between lattices, what we can call big gaps. All these changes are consistent with the familiar workflow of the lattice feature. Thank you for your attention.